15-second lead overall in the rally. And it is a very, it won't feel very lucky, but I think that was a very lucky moment there for just out of shape. Ditch that we saw the Mini go off in a car in the ditch. And that's the guy or the woman driving it. But yeah, John Adams and James Ward in the 1600 sport did get going again. We saw that. Shot on bolt there. Oh no! The RDA series. Hardcore fire. Matthew Hurst posts an 8:22. Yeah, you just knew that Conrad was coming in too hot there. Conrad was Alan Horn in the RS 2000. I tell you what, I said James, I know he does like the weather watching. I love watching the cars at full tilt. Right hand down the hill. Michael Gilbert alongside. Car 83. 9 miles long, and that is a Mini in the ditch and just about getting away with it. Dale Furnish lead the way out front with Max McRae, Cameron Fair. Just 8 seconds behind, but here is the leader, back to that in a minute, here is the leader of the Bronze Star here in the 1400s in the Pro Tyre BTRDA Rally Series. Among others as well. This full straight coming into the stage. The man who leads the historic coming into here, Martin McCormack, Barney Mitchell alongside. 2. Pro Tyre BTRDA Rally Cruise. Not bad going, is it? Nicely done. From Ben Friend. Bit of a puncture. That Evo over the years. Familiar look though for us. Done their bit over the years, haven't they? Still going. Geraint Williams, Van Rollins, another of our. Let's see. All of the content that we do, including our top 10 rally cars, feature as voted for by Special Stage viewers. Rallyschool.co.uk. I just do that. Thank you. That they do. Let's find out. Yes, Jack Bowen in for this round. Daniel Sigurdsson has to Sigurdsson here. 26.5 seconds further back. And then it's Alexander. Great dropping. But in terms of our profile, kept cocking the wheel into the certainly burst onto the scene. Good morning. On to 6 Cymru. Jerky on mine.